Hey everyone, JKD Seafood Mike Goldberg and Raymond Bray in Haltom City. Welcome again to another session of JKD Old Fart Friday Night. And we are a couple old farts, but hey, that's what we're here for. We're going to be talking about JKD's concept or principle of economy of motion. We're going to use old Bob here because he was doing nothing else. He was just sort of standing around. And why don't you bring Bob a little bit more into the picture, Ray? All right, now you go. Bob's looking good. Okay, Ray's going to do a couple moves, and you'll notice that each move that he does seems to have another move or incidental move, which that term incidental we learned from Mukio Mulder with Urban Combatives Netherlands. Okay, Ray, show them what we got. All right, now Ray's going to describe each move and explain what target he's hitting right now.
It's working on the principle of somebody coming in a grappling type situation, trying to get in close. You slide your hand in and you do a Kali bicep bump to the carotid artery of the neck, disorienting them a little. Then you do a reverse slap to the brainstem area of the back of the head. And then you do a palm strike, straight palm strike to the face. And then you do an elbow to the mandible area. Here is a knockout. And you do a chop to either the throat or the carotid artery on the other side.
Okay, and now I'm going to do it on Ray slowly because he's donated his body to science. Okay, so Ray's in close to me. We're going here. My hand is on the inside. I apply the bicep bump. Then I take and hit him right here. And then from there, slide in with a strike there. Elbow to the mandible, like Ray said. Hack here, and get out of Dodge. Well, Ray and I hope that you enjoyed tonight's session. Please don't forget to push the little red subscriber button down there and give that little bell to the right a tap so you get notifications from Big Ray and I when we ever have another session of JKD Old Fart Friday Night. Remember, Ray and I always say, be aware, be safe.